And can you say Baba? Good girl. Alright, give me a wow. Okay, say I love you and you'll get a treat. Good girl, Baba. Go ahead.
Awkward moment when you realize reincarnation means that there's a small chance your dog could have been Hitler.
Hey Watson, do you understand when I'm talking to you? You do? Okay, so I gave you a Chewy. I gave Kiko a Chewy. You ate Kiko's Chewy. So what do we say when we steal someone else's Chewy?